Good morning, students of class 4. I'm coming back to the page number 3. What I have to do is, I told you, you have to underline the people, name of the, circle the names of the people and underline the names of things. Okay, you have to circle the names of the people. Locate naam circle karo, or names of the things, jinishe naam, you have to underline it. Okay, one day a young boy went to see a doctor. One day a young boy, now people's name is what? Who's all people's name? Now you do one work. Circle all the people's name. Then you underline the names of the things. ঠিক আছে, আগে যত লোকের নাম পাচ্ছ সব সার্কেল করে যাও পুরো প্যারাগ্রাফে, তারপরে তুমি এসে then you do it that underlining word. Okay, now we'll come. One day a young boy went to see a doctor abar loker naam, then circle it with a circle karo, and said to him, doctor abar doctor circle, I need some medicine. Medicine ta loke naam nahi, stomach ache loke naam nahi. I see, replied the doctor. Abar doctor underline circle, loosen your shirt. Shirt is not a people name, loge naam nahi, and lie down over there. The doctor pointed to the coach. Coach is also not on the wall, but doctor abar doctor joto asche, just put a thing. Okay, then the boy located naam. Okay, so again underline, circle it, loosen the shirt. The doctor again circle the boy's stomach with his finger, and then told the young patient be একটা লোকের নাম. ওকে, লোককেই বলছে পেশেন্ট. ওকে, ওটা সার্কেল করো. টু বাটন আপ দ্য শার্ট again. He took a pen loke naam nahi, and his pocket loke naam nahi, and wrote on the piece of paper loke naam nahi. Here he said, take this to the chemist. Chemist হচ্ছে একটা লোকের নাম, যে যাকে আমরা chemist বলে ডাকছি. So you can underline that, you can circle that. He will give you a bottle of medicine bhi loke naam nahi, that will make you better quickly. Nothing there. Now doctor again circle, said the boy, again circle, and the pain, it's my sister আবার একটা লোকের নাম is sick. Okay, now circle টা over. আবার আসছি underlining. One day a young boy, underline the things, জিনিসের নাম underline করতে হবে. One day young boy went to see a doctor and said to him, এর মধ্যে কিচ্ছু জিনিস নেই. Doctor, I need some medicine. একটা জিনিসের নাম কি? Medicine for stomach ache. Did you understand? Stomach is one, stomach একটা জিনিস মানে parts of the body. You can underline that also. Ache you cannot do, because ache মানে ব্যথা মানে verb, ওটা করবে না. Stomach you can underline if you want, but stomach ache it is. I see, replied the doctor, loosen your shirt একটা জিনিস যেটা আমরা পরি, কাপড়, and lie down over there. The doctor pointed to a coach is where the doctor's bed, they have. So he points there, that coach is a thing, একটা পাতলা এর মতন বিছনা যেখানে ডক্টর বলে শুয়ে পড়ো. On the wall means দিওয়াল একটা জিনিস, you can underline it. But doctor এখানে কোনো জিনিস নেই. Do as you are told, কোনো জিনিস নেই. The boy loosened his shirt is আবার জিনিস. The doctor poked to the boy's stomach is a জিনিস, parts of the body, জিনিস. Okay, and his finger is a জিনিস, parts of the body, and then told the young patient to button is a জিনিস, জামা মধ্যে যেটা জিনিসটা আমরা লাগাই, button. The shirt, আবার shirt একটা জিনিস, underline করো. He took a pen একটা জিনিস. Okay, pen is a thing, so underline that. In the pocket, they had a pocket in us. Pocket মানে একটা জিনিস যার মধ্যে আমরা জিনিস রাখি, and wrote on a piece of paper একটা জিনিস. Okay, paper একটা টুকরো. Here he said, take it to the chemist, he will give you the bottle also is একটা জিনিস, and medicine is also একটা জিনিস, medicine ওষুধ, and make it to bed quickly. The boy, I feel the pain, nothing, and in this line, last line, there is no জিনিস. Did you understand now? There is no thing there. So you understood this lesson. So you're going to circle and you're going to underline and do it for your homework. Did you all understand, children? Thank you, children. Do your homework.